How to remove the old bank account from Google Pay. Got an old bank account linked to Google Pay? Let's remove it in a few simple steps. So, launch the Google Pay app into your mobile device. Make sure you are signed in into your account. And then once you're on the Google Pay dashboard, you should find payment methods. So, simply click on this to find your available payment methods. To manage it, click on this Manage Other Payment Methods, and that will take you into a new browser where you'll find the list of payment methods registered for your Google Pay account. So simply look for the payment method that you want to remove. So once you find it on this list, go ahead and click on it. Now, once you're on this page, scroll down and you'll find this remove payment method button. Click on this and then confirm removing it. And this payment method would be removed for your Google Pay account. And that is how to remove the old bank account from Google Pay.